If I get 100 videos on this view, I will be so happy and make another one. And then I'll make Rise of Ninja. Here we go. This is awesome. I'm pretty sure it's this hard drive. Please, 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 please. Yes. Yeah, this is my Naruto and Sage mode. This is my Torchmark Sasuke. For the pants, pick Broly's clothes. And if I create a character, go on adult, make him have potential in this or Super Saiyan, whatever you want. Here's my Bardock. Here's my Trunks, normal mode. I used to have him Super Saiyan, but I deleted him. Here's my Beezin. Let's pick Beezin. Alright, goodbye guys. See you next time. This is my Dragon Ball Z character review. Because I'm so grateful of you guys, I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a little dance for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Sorry for shaking the camera. Now, I'm dancing to you. I'm really dancing to you. And shake my butt in your face. Goodbye, guys.